everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Faith Sinclair, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay y'all, so needless to say, I am impressed with this wig. Yeah, I said it, it's a wig. It is a wig. This is the half up, half down wig that I've gotten from Amazon. I have the link down below where you can purchase this wig. So yeah, let's get into me putting this wig on. Y'all gonna be mad at me. Okay, so all of my footage of me installing this wig got deleted from me taking it out the pack and everything like that, showing y'all the lace. So all I did when I took the wig out the pack was I tinted the lace part with some powder foundation. And for this video, I actually didn't use any lace spray. I just put the wig on like this, y'all, and the lace is given, as y'all can see. And so right here, I did cut the lace off, and then I am cutting the baby hairs. So I wanted to give like that kind of fluffy edge look, so I just went in with my Got To Be spray on my edge brush, and then I did a little bit of the Kiss edge control to just kind of make my baby hairs look light and fluffy. I don't know, that's the kind of look and mood that I was in, so that's what we went for. So right now I'm about to go in with some freeze spray again, and we're going to get some of that like lumpy or poofiness out of the back of the hair where the curls start. So I'm just taking my my hot comb, and I think I may have had the temperature on like 380 or something like that, to where it didn't burn the hair. And as you can see, it kind of flattened it out some. So I've been scared to try like these braided wigs and stuff. The last one that I did was a flop. I did not like it. Like the hairline was messed up. But y'all, this one looks good. Like, it looks really good. And as you can tell, I did not put like any lace spray or anything like that down. And this is what the lace is given. I got on a black stocking cap up underneath here. This looks good. Like, it looks like I could have braided my hair up at the top and then did like a little sewing in the back or something. I would definitely probably wear this wig out. Definitely. So yeah, this might be a little thing for the spring and the summer. A little quick little 1-2. I need to go somewhere and we don't want to look busted. We might throw this on. So y'all, let me know what y'all think about this wig in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've tried this wig before, if you plan on trying it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.